Most people are falling behind with AI, not because it's too hard, but because they're trying to use everything at once. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 simple and practical ways to use AI so that you can free up time and scale smarter. Quick tip, if you're still in the free version of ChatGPT, you're missing out on half of the toolkit. For the cost of a Starbucks coffee a week, the subscription model will give you the best version. 1. Clone yourself. I'm aware this sounds insane, but let's be honest here, it's already happening. That sci-fi shit you see in movies with people cloning themselves is here. You can literally upload everything about yourself to ChatGPT and make an AI version of you. It's wild. Then this clone will literally learn how you think, solve problems, and the best part of this is that you have a supercomputer in your corner guiding you through life through your lens. The best way to do this is by creating a master prompt for your life. It's pretty simple. You just open up the app on your phone and say, help me create a master prompt for myself. Ask me whatever questions you need to understand me, my values, my vision, my goals, my story. You get the point. Then ChatGPT will ask you questions one by one, and the great thing about this is you can do it in a sitting or over the course of a week, and slowly your master prompt will be built. Once you've gone through all of the questions, simply get it to create a Google document that breaks down your master prompt, and every time you have a conversation with ChatGPT, you upload your master prompt or reference it for context, and it will give you a response as if it knows who you are. This might not seem like a big deal, but think about how much more shit you could get done if you had AI in your corner supporting you through your life. 2. Building your business brain. Now let's take things further. You've made a master prompt for your life, now it's time to make one for your business. I call this my business brain. AI isn't just a tool to help you with random stuff, it can literally be your partner in business. I'm a huge believer in business coaching and joining a mastermind, but imagine the power of having a coach in your pocket. That's your business brain. Your business brain can literally help you through everything in business. Now, how do we make one? Like the last point, we simply open ChatGPT and say, ask me whatever questions necessary to understand my business vision, my business mission, my business goals, my current team, and anything else you think that is relevant. Then once you go through and answer all of those questions, you can even go deeper. You can upload all of your current business plans, your position descriptions, your current systems and procedures, your notes from meetings, and anything else to help AI understand your business. Then you can ask questions like, what am I doing well? What are my weaknesses? What am I missing? What can I do better? How can I make more money? How can I save more money? How can I deal with this problem? The great thing about building your business brain is that it's like your partner in business. It will truly be objective without the emotional baggage that humans carry. It's like a business coach in your pocket. Before I move on to number 3, if you're getting value, be sure to smash that like and hit subscribe. 3, train AI like a team member. We've all made this mistake. We open up ChatGPT and we ask it to do something like create a marketing plan. This is great and all, but the best that you'll get is some generic marketing plan that will be useless for your business. It's like hiring a new employee, not giving them any training or context around the business, and then getting them to take phone calls. They would have absolutely no idea. What if I told you that AI could be trained like an in-house marketing manager? Cool, right? So how do we do this? So you've already done the work by creating a master prompt for your business. What's great about this is now that when prompting AI, you have context around who you are and what your business is trying to achieve. Now, when asking AI to do something for your business, it will do it through your lens as a team member. Think about how much time that would save instead of spending days or weeks doing the groundwork to develop a half-assed marketing plan when you can do it in a fraction of the time. Now, one step further. I've only spoken about marketing. Imagine the power of doing a master prompt for every position within your business and then creating a clone of them. Cool, right? Your team members have clones and now they'll be able to use AI to become superhuman, which will make your business unstoppable. 4, your first AI employee. Man, I know, it's freaky shit. We've come a long way. I was literally messaging my editor this morning and saying that if we don't embrace AI, we'll fall behind. Honestly, you'll be left in the dust and young teenagers will smoke you in business. I think it's very important to ride this wave and take advantage of what's on offering, because just by getting an AI employee, it's going to save you thousands. In Australia, the average wage is roughly $70,000 to $80,000 per year. But for next to nothing, you'll be able to replace them using AI. Now let's keep this simple, right? I don't want to overcomplicate things for you. First things first, if your business hasn't got systems, make those now. Don't say you don't have time. It's simple. Block out a day or a week and then screen record or camera record how to do a task. Then download that transcription and the recording and upload it to ChatGPT. Once you've done it, ChatGPT will literally turn this into a system. Just ask it to. And that's literally like $10,000 worth of coaching advice right there. Now, simply ask ChatGPT on how you can implement an AI employee to take care of this task for you. I'm not gonna sit here and say it will be able to do everything, but it will be able to do more than you can imagine and save you a shit ton of money in the process. 5, repurposing your content like a pro. Now let's be real here. In 2025, two of the most important things in business right now are implementing AI and being seen. We've spoken a lot about AI, now it's time to talk about content. See, the younger generation is saying off Google search engines and spending so much more time on social media. What this means is to be seen, you'll need to be smashing content out on social media. But here's the good news, you don't really need to create more content, you just need to make your existing content work harder for you, and that's where AI comes in. See, here's the basic idea taken from Gary Vee. You create one long form piece of content, whether that be YouTube video, vlog, podcast, and turn it into a dozen smaller pieces that feed every platform you use. This is exactly what Gary Vee does, and he's amassed tens of millions of followers. And the way you do that is by taking the transcription of the video and putting it into ChatGPT. Then give it a simple prompt like, take this transcription and using my tone and style, repurpose this for multiple social media platforms. Then you can just ask it to create 5 LinkedIn posts, draft 10 tweets, suggest which clips would make the best shorts, pull 20 quotes for insights or graphics, draft an email summary for your newsletter. And the great thing about this is, instead of spending 30 hours creating content, you'll spend 30 minutes refining what AI gives you, right? It's important to note that it won't kill creativity, it will actually free up your mind to actually become more creative. And the best part of this is that your one video has now turned into about 50 to 100 pieces of marketing content. That has another 100 more chances of being seen. 6, real-time market research. Look, I've been in business a while now, and I know that most people guess what their audience wants. When I first started, I did as well, and to a certain extent, I still do today. But what I've found is that AI makes finding out what your audience wants so much easier. Nowadays, you can open up ChatGPT and ask something like, what is my target market struggling with? What are they searching for online? What are they engaging with based on Reddit, Quora, and recent articles? And then literally within seconds, it's gonna provide you with a data dump of everything you need to know based on today's information. So instead of hiring a research assistant, you can literally get AI to do the grunt work for you. And this gets even better. You can automate all of this. There are tools like Relay, Zapier, or NAN that can scan all of these websites and feed that information straight into AI. And then each week you can get a summary to ensure you're keeping on top of the market. This will ensure that you'll never fall behind and are up to date with the most recent trends in society and then the market. And there you have it, 6 simple and practical tips to use AI like a pro. If you got value, smash that like button and hit subscribe. And if you want to know what's keeping you broke, check out this video.